Here's a quick seller's tip that'll save you a lot of time. Most people don't Google sell my house fast for cash in Warner Robins or Perry because they're bored. They're doing it because they're looking for a fix to a problem house. In Warner Robins and Perry, I see the same reasons over and over. They don't want to do the repairs for the house. They don't want 100 people walking through their house during a listing. Their house is in foreclosure and they need to get out quick. They've inherited a house in probate and they need to sell the estate. And then the toughest one, they have no equity in the house, and if they sell their house on the open market, they're going to have to come out of pocket. So when people say, I need an instant cash offer, what they're really saying is, I need a clean break from a problem house. Now here's the part that really trips people up. You've probably already gotten a few postcards from investors offering instant cash offers and top dollar for your house. The truth of the matter is, you're not going to get top dollar and a cash offer in the same deal on the same house. Think about it. Would you pay full retail price for a used car that needs paint and has a flat tire? Well, same thing here. Houses are the same way. Cash offers are for serious sellers who are ready to get rid of the house as is with no repairs and no hassle. If you insist on getting top dollar for your house, then we probably need to talk about listing your house instead, which we can also do. Hey guys, I'm Chris, your real estate problem solver. I'm a real estate agent and an investor in the Middle Georgia area, and we buy houses for cash. So if you're looking to sell your house as is, click the link below and see if you qualify for our cash offer program. But if your house is in good shape and you've got a little bit of time, a cash offer probably isn't going to be your best bet. We make cash offers on houses in the Middle Georgia area every week, and I could buy your house if and only if your house qualifies for our fast cash program. We offer a personalized and very hands-on service, so unfortunately we can only take on 1 to 2 houses per month. So if you're serious about selling your house fast for cash, we need to know a few things. 1, is speed your top priority? 2, if you can't sell your house fast, is that going to cause a problem? 3, does your house need repairs or is it in good shape? And lastly, can you be honest about the situation that you're in? This last one is particularly important because we help a lot of people in foreclosures, probates, landlords who are tired of their rental properties, and people who have no equity in their houses and can't afford to sell their house. So if you can't be honest about your situation and the condition of your house, then you take up a slot that someone else could fill. If you insist on getting every penny out of your house that you possibly can, then we probably need to sit down and talk about a listing strategy for your house instead of a cash offer. We can help you find somebody to clean it, do some repairs, maybe do some staging, and then list the house on the open market for a buyer with a bank loan that's willing to pay top dollar. But if you've already been down this road and you can't stomach the idea of 100 people walking through your bedroom and seeing all your private stuff, then maybe a cash offer is the best route for you. We're looking for serious sellers who are ready to do something now and walk away with a check in a couple weeks. I want to be clear, I can't solve every problem. I can only buy your house fast for cash if you truly want to trade out the stress for a clean slate. So to find out if you qualify for our fast cash program, click the link below and we'll schedule a call to get together. Once we connect, we'll sit down and have a few questions over the phone, and then we'll schedule a time for me to come out and take a look at the house and do a quick inspection. Once I come out, we'll do a quick inspection, look around the house, and then we'll sit down and come up with a game plan that works for both of us. And then in a couple of weeks, we'll go to a closing with a local real estate attorney like Darryl Law, Cooper Law, or Martin Snow. Now, here's the reality of the Warner Robins and Perry market. There's a lot of investors around here, and most of them are going to tell you whatever it is that you want to hear in order to get you under contract. Once you're under contract, they're going to nickel and dime you and try to shave $20,000 or $30,000 off the original purchase price, which obviously is wasting your time and it's not what you want. And most of these investors are not even intending to actually buy your house. They just want to get the contract so they can turn around and sell the contract to somebody like me. If I come out to your house, unless we agree with something different, I make an offer on your house, I'm the one that's going to buy your house, period. So if you're ready to act, I'll provide you a solution that's going to save you months of holding costs and mortgage payments. I'll provide you all the information that you need to make the best decision for you and your family. So do you think we're a good fit? If not, no problem. But if you think your house qualifies, click below and let's get started. And if it turns out that your house doesn't qualify, we still have the option to come up with a game plan to list your house on the open market. So if you're ready to see if your house in Warner Robins, Bonaire, or Perry qualifies for the Fast Cash program, let's go ahead and take the next steps before your problem house becomes a problem nightmare.